Another question I have related maybe to the structural depth exam is a lot of people are concerned with how many codes and standards are on that exam. How did you, as a mechanical, wrap your head around all those codes and standards? How did you get them? And how did you, I guess, become more familiar with them?
I was very fortunate to have friends that have the codes that they share with me, and I was able to study from them. Now it was a little easier because those friends they took the test when it was on paper and pencil, so they have the physical code and they already have tabs on it, and it was easy to go and find what I needed. During the real test, is a little more difficult because to me because you are on a PDF trying to press Control F to really search for what you specifically need. Now, if you think about it, the steel code is only tables with numbers, so there is nothing that you can really go and search. So once I saw that, I decided to take the time to, all right, this week I'm gonna study the steel code, and I'm gonna learn that part one, part two is this, part three is this in this specification, and the commentary part one with part one are matching. They are the same thing. Part chapter two with chapter A and chapter A are the same. Chapter B and chapter B are the same from the specification and the commentary. And in that way, I was able to learn where to go when I was looking at a PDF. On the ACI, on the concrete code, same thing. I was able to basically almost that learn the table of contents, so I know what to search for. And the masonry code, if I am honest, masonry and wood were the areas that I study less, and I was fortunate to only have theory questions on those, so those were easy to find in the theory. But yeah, it's a little challenging to wrap your head around those codes, but it's not impossible, especially if you're constantly doing problems. And also at work, it's we use code. I mean, we work as structural engineers, so we get to use the codes daily.